First of all, for anyone that is watching this video and has lost a loved one, I would like to offer my condolences. Losing a loved one is never easy, and dealing with an inherited property can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be with the right help and knowledge. Hi, my name is Roger Loesel with broker Coldwell Banker Realty. I have been helping sell inherited property since 2009. Whether you have a trust or are going through the probate process, my team and I can help you with the process. I have created a checklist of the process so that you can understand what the process involves. Knowledge is power, and with power, fear and anxiety disappear. To get the full checklist, you can go to Roger Sells Ohio spelled out house.com. There again, that was Roger Sells Ohio spelled out house.com. Thank you for your time, and there again, my condolences.